Welcome to video 5 and the final part in this series of how to start a web design agency using GoHighLevel. In this video, we're going to be focusing on how to scale your business. We are going to be going through leveraging testimonials and case studies, building a team and outsourcing, raising rates and expanding service offerings, and then finally improving client retention. This video is very important as it will give you the tools and skills that you require to scale your business from 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 50, and then even 50 to 100k per calendar month. If you have liked this series, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, as there will be a few follow-up videos to this series. Hopefully you have found success in this series, and if you do have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. In this final video of this 5-part series, we're going to be focusing on scaling our business. Hopefully over the last 4 videos, we should have at least got a few clients that are at least paying us a few $1,000s per month. What we want to do now is focus on scaling our business to the first milestone, which is $10,000 per month. Then after that to 20,000, then 50,000. And for those who are capable, then scaling it to $100,000 per month. This is definitely not easy to do. However, those who are committed to this business model, it is possible to reach those sort of figures. The main thing that we're going to be covering is leveraging testimonials and case studies, building a team and outsourcing, raising rates and expanding service offerings, and then finally improving client retention. The first thing that we're therefore going to discuss is how we can leverage testimonials and case studies. Wherever possible, we do want to get testimonials from our current clients. This is going to allow other business owners to understand what we have provided a similar business to theirs and how we have improved their monthly revenue. The more testimonials we have, the more social proof that we're going to have, and it's going to be much easier for us to close clients in the future. You want to make sure the testimonials are as organic as possible and make sure that you are not faking any testimonials, as it's going to be very easy for people to find out. Once you do have a few testimonials, make sure that you do start putting them on your website, all of your social media platforms, and then something which is a bit more advanced, we can also start running paid traffic to these testimonials. The next thing that you always want to be doing as you are growing your business is creating case studies. For a business who you have helped with their website, you can show a before and after, and also how a new website has benefited them. This can be in the form of more traffic, more leads, more inquiries, and ultimately generating them more revenue for their business. Having a nice looking website is all well and good. However, business owners do want to see how a new website is generating them more revenue. The more testimonials and the more case studies you have, the easier it is going to be to attract new clients. The more social proof you have of providing a high quality service, the easier it is going to be to onboard new clients. We want to make sure that we are always focusing on gaining new clients as well as providing a good service for our current clients. For us to be able to scale our business, we do need to build a team and then outsource some of these tasks. You as the agency owner, you only have a limited amount of time. At some point, you will run out of the time that you have, and you will need to start building a team to be able to scale your business accordingly. I would suggest at least managing the first 1 or 2 clients so you get an understanding of the business model. Thereafter, you can start hiring for some of the positions. As a web design agency, you can allocate someone to do outreach for you. You can get someone to manage the GoHighLevel accounts. You can hire a graphic designer. And finally, depending on how many clients you have, you can hire someone to be a project manager. As your business does grow, you can hire along the way. 2 great places to hire people is Upwork, and also you can find high quality talent on LinkedIn. Upwork is a freelancer website where you will post a job and people would apply for that. The platform is very easy to use. However, I will be making a much more detailed video in the future. LinkedIn is another place you can hire high quality talent. If you search for keywords, for example, graphic designer, you will find hundreds, if not thousands of experts that will be able to help. When it comes to the actual hiring process, you want to make sure that your job description is as detailed as possible. The more detailed you have it, the more likely chance you will find the right candidate. You can also get some of your applicants to fill out a form and or make a Loom video showcasing why they are perfect for the job. The second thing that you want to make sure is that you have clear expectations. And making sure that your expectations are clear, it will allow the person to do the job better and hopefully allow your business to run smoother. And now that we have some testimonials and case studies and we've started building our team, the next thing that we want to focus on is raising rates and also expanding service offerings. Some complementary services for a web design agency are SEO, so search engine optimization. You can have some sort of maintenance plans, and also you can be doing paid ads for your clients. This can be in the form of Google and or Facebook ads. Once you have chosen the complimentary service, over time you can start raising your rates with your experience and also your reputation. Roughly every 5 or so clients, you can gradually start raising your rates as your experience and your reputation does grow within your specific niche. For us to be able to scale effectively, it is important for us to gain new clients but also improving client retention. There's no benefit of us onboarding 5 new clients when we're losing 10 new clients every month. So we need to make sure that the clients we have, we are keeping them for as long as possible. The way we can do this is by offering ongoing services. We want to be offering constant updates, and we also want to have some sort of community where people feel that they are a part of. Make sure you are focusing just as much on keeping your current clients as you are with growing and gaining new clients. Now that we have come to the end of the series, what we want to do is develop a plan for scaling, including identifying testimonials and considering outsources. And one final thing that you can reflect on is what are ongoing or higher value services you can offer. Hopefully you have enjoyed this series and watched it from start to finish. Make sure you do always come back to this series depending on what stage you are within your business. If you do need any support or assistance with your GoHighLevel account and or scaling your web design agency, you can contact me using the information in the description. Hopefully I'll see everyone safe and sound for the next video. Take care.